Today's the day. I've spoken to Acid over at MSL. We're going for the stage 2 Weistec Supercharger. It's going to be injectors, supercharger, full service. I do think he's going to have the car for a while. The original conversation I had with Acid was when I had the other C63, that the plan was to supercharge that. But he said because it's not the Performance Pack Plus or the 507 engine, he doesn't recommend doing the stage 3 supercharge. I've seen on YouTube and a few of the videos where people have actually got the normal C63, but they've still done stage 3, so I'm not quite sure how that makes a difference, but we're going to ask him that. But now we have got the Performance Pack Plus, we're going to find out why we can't go to stage 3 supercharge. I know what's going to happen. We'll do the stage 2 supercharge, and then a few weeks later, I'll be like, hold on a minute, we should have just given it the full and gone to stage 3, which is what I'm going to ask him now. Why can't we do that? What's the issue? Ideally, I want to do the stage 3 supercharge, so in the back of my mind, I've not got that doubt that we should have pushed it that bit further. But like I said, if it does make a difference, or he advises against it based on it's going to impact the reliability of the car or the long-term lifetime of the engine or anything like that, then definitely not, for the sake of an extra 30-40 horsepower.
2 hours later.
We're just pulling up to MSL now. Let's go inside, let's have a chat, and we'll take it from there. Bosh. I've always said I wanted to do a supercharger. It's been about 5 years, do you know what I mean? But long time. IPS. Yes. You know, originally we said we were going to do stage 2, but we didn't have the performance pack, didn't we?
And this is still a stage 2.
What's the process if you want to do stage 2?
Stage 3. Yeah. Stage 3 supercharger. So this is a 2.3 litre supercharger. Stage 3 is a 3 litre charger. Yeah. So in essence, it's a more powerful charger. And not just that, you've got different pulleys, so you've got all the pulleys will be changed into an 8-rib system, right, rather than your standard 6-rib. So you have to change your crank pulley, your alternator. Power difference is debatable, because even with these you can get at least, you know, I've seen cars 738, 74, 750 stage 3s. Typically my Black Series, you know, starts around 750. But there's not a massive difference until you go like very, very small pulleys with methanol, race fuel. Then that's where the charger is going to give you more. But a lot of people don't use it to do drag racing, do anything stupid like I do.
Yeah,
so in essence, stage 2 is spot on. We're going to change the injectors as well. We're going to do breathers, a few extra nig limits as well. Reliability wise, I've done quite a few, no major issues. But again, the engines are hand built, so you know you have your general wear and tear. It depends on the mileage.
Tyres wise, do we need to go wider?
Good luck.
Yeah. What are you talking, second, third gear or fourth?
You're looking at third gear.
What tyres are you running? 315?
No, I'm running 305s, CS4Ss.
What are you expecting to get out of this? 730, 740?
Look, realistically, anything, you know, 710, 720.
I want you to get as much as you can
minimum
out of it.
700, but look, it's got it all done within
Is it better with this performance pack engine?
Yes. Yes.
On what aspect? What makes it better?
Crank itself is £3 lighter than a standard one. So the crank from a performance pack is the same engine as Black Series 507 and a Black Series. So it's a lighter crank, gives a little bit more power. The pistons are forged as well, so you've got a more safety proportion, if that makes sense.
Let's listen to the one you've got, and then we'll head off.
I will clear up the end a little bit and keep you starting.
That's not cold start, you know. That's already been started. That is fucking mental. What the fuck? That's fucking crazy. That car is basically coming from somewhere else. Someone's done a Weistec Supercharger on it, and they've had nothing but problems with it. So they brought it over here to get it sorted. No doubt they'll get to the bottom of it, and no doubt they'll sort it. But it just confirms what I've already said. As far as Mercs go, in my opinion, do you know what I mean? We've been to a few of the tuners in the past, and in my opinion, the MSL side of it, I've never had issues. Do you know what I mean? And if I have had issues, the customer service, the aftercare is bar to none. Do you know what I mean? They know what they're doing, and the biggest benefit is, I know it sounds like a cliche, but we do put the customer first, and that's what matters.